Hello, this is a demo of BotAnimalHunt. This is a free game that you can download, and a link is in the description. This is the lobby. The exit will quit the game. Lobby will restart the lobby, and this is level 1. This is the bounty menu, the game menu, and the player menu. These are the weapons that you can purchase. If you go through here, it will spawn a bot so you can practice shooting. That's a fox. Before I show level 1, I'm going to show that you can change the options. This shows the number of targets in the level. And this number here will show you the number of targets. This doesn't include the deer doe because you're not supposed to shoot those. So you can program what you want to hunt. This is the defaults. So I'm just going to take the defaults. I'll go into level 1 now. So first thing you do is to purchase a weapon. I'm going to take the rifle and the ammo. And the rifle will respawn, and so will the ammo. So if you wanted to pick up more ammo, you can buy that. There's a deer stag that's attacking me. So I just got my first deer stag, and you'll notice that the 31 will change to 30 when he dies. So that means there's one less target in the level. So now I'll go out into the forest and see if I can find some other animals. There's an animal. If you right click on the mouse, you can zoom in. So that looks like another stag. I'll shoot that. And there's also bot targets, like this green one. There's a pig. I got my first pig. There's another deer stag. A wolf. I got my first wolf. Well, that's it. That's how you play the game.